Click on the link below to get price. The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is a game-changer for cyclists seeking a smoother ride on varied terrains. Constructed from lightweight aluminum alloy, this seatpost strikes a balance between durability and weight reduction, making it an ideal choice for road biking enthusiasts. Weighing in at approximately 600 grams, it does not add significant bulk to your bike, allowing for efficient pedaling and performance. One of the standout features of the KINEKT Seatpost is its innovative suspension system. With an adjustable travel of up to 30 mm, the post effectively absorbs shocks from bumps and potholes, enhancing comfort during long rides. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who frequently ride on uneven surfaces, as it mitigates fatigue and provides a more enjoyable experience. The dual spring system is finely tuned to accommodate various rider weights and styles, which can be easily adjusted to suit individual preferences. Installation is straightforward, and the seatpost is compatible with most road bikes, ensuring that you won't need to purchase additional parts to fit it onto your frame. Once installed, the KINEKT Seatpost allows for seamless height adjustments, making it convenient for riders who share their bikes or prefer to alter their riding position. Aesthetic appeal is another plus. Its sleek design complements modern bike frames well. The anodized finish not only looks good but also provides resistance against scratches and wear, ensuring that the seatpost maintains its visual appeal over time. However, while the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost excels in comfort and design, it may not suit every cyclist. Some riders who prefer a more rigid setup might find the suspension a bit too soft, particularly during high-effort climbs or sprints. Nonetheless, for those prioritizing comfort and versatility, this seatpost is a worthy investment. Overall, the KINEKT XR lightweight aluminum alloy seatpost delivers on its promises, making it a top choice for any serious cyclist looking to enhance their riding experience.